Begin by registering or logging in. You have two options: Engage Now for live events or Engage Form for online surveys. We're going to create a survey. Click on the plus button to start a new form. You can give your form a name, and it tells you the different types of forms you can create. We're going to create a poll. You have three options here to create a welcome screen, add question pages, or create a thank you page. For a welcome page, you can add a title, a description, and you can add a picture. There's even a search bar so you can search for Google images to include. You can even label the button to start the poll. If you don't want the welcome screen, you can delete it by clicking on the little X next to it. Now we have question pages. There are four types of question page. We'll start with a multiple choice. You can add a title. You can add a picture. And then you can start adding the options. In the top right corner you have options for what you want to include on this question page. You can hide the description or add a description. And you can hide or show the picture. When you're ready to add a new question, click on Add Question. This time we're going to add a picture choice. Enter the title and start adding your pictures. When you're finished, you can add another question. This time we're going to add a ratings question. Again, we enter our title. We can add the labels for each end of the scale. In the options on the right, you can change the rating scale. Here I'm going to move it from 5 to 10. You can even change the icons, smiley faces, hearts, or we can just use numbers. For this question we won't use an image. When you're ready, you can add your thank you page. Again, give it a title. Add a picture if you want. And I forgot to add a description, so I'll just do that. This is the page that will appear when users have finished your survey. Once you've finished, you can move on to the next stage, which is design. Here you can choose the background for your poll. There are lots of different options available from the themes, or if you wanted to, you could upload your own background. You can change the blur or the brightness, and you can change lots of other colours if you want to. Once you're ready, you can configure your quiz. You can allow users to change their answers. You can change the way that the social sharing picture shows. The standard form is this picture of engage forms, but you can add your own. There are lots of other options here which you would need the premium account for, so let's move on to our distribution. You can share the link with people quite straightforwardly, or you can share a QR code so that students can scan in order to access the quiz. But you can also embed the quiz into Moodle. Copy the embed code, go to Moodle and add a label. Click on the drop-down arrow and make sure that you've switched into HTML mode. Now paste the embed code. Save and return to your course, and the poll will appear embedded in your course page. Students can answer directly from your Moodle page. If you want to add a question, go back to the Build section on your page builder and click on the square to add a new question. This time we're going to add a form question. Give a title for your question, and you can choose the kind of input, whether just short text or long text if you want a paragraph. Again, you can amend your settings, and this is what it would look like. Click on Submit to finish, and there's our thank you page. To get the results, click on Analyze. Here you'll see a chart, but you can also see a spreadsheet version and download those results. In the top right corner of your screen, you have options to preview your poll, so that you can see what it looks like on a mobile device. Or a tablet, or a desktop.